ببین اشکم جان، ببین اینجام ونکوور، ببین چه بارونی میاد. ببین صداشو میشنوی؟ واسه ماشین رو روشن کنم ببین. وای اصلا داغونه اینجا هوا، اشکم جان هواش داغونه. Oh my god, that's today's weather in Vancouver. It's really, I'm like swimming in water. I mean, you can't see it so good because I'm sitting in the car. It looks warm and cozy. But look at those ones. Look at those little minions there. Oh my god. Look, 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 look. Those little kids. You can even see it. It's so rainy and it's so windy. Look at those little kids. Oh my god, they're hilarious. They're so funny. It's like Schneewittchen und die sieben Zwerge. Oh my god, that's so hilarious. Yeah, but you see, it's such a stupid, shitty weather today. Look. You can even see my car. You see it's kind of like, it's not clear because you know on the window it's water. You even can hear it.